Does she play piano?
Does she play piano?
Does your dog bite?
Does your dog bite?
Does she like oranges?
Does she like oranges?
Where does it hurt?
Where does it hurt?
What time does your plane depart?
What time does your plane depart?
Does he go to work by bus?
Does he go to work by bus?
Does he live here?
Does he live here?
Does she know you?
Does she know you?
What does it mean?
What does it mean?
What does she have?
What does she have?
When does it begin?
When does it begin?
What does this mean?
What does this mean?
When does arrive the bus?
When does arrive the bus?
Does she speak English?
Does she speak English?
Does she speak French?
Does she speak French?
How long does it take?
How long does it take?
Does Tom like tomatoes?
Does Tom like tomatoes?
How does he go to school?
How does he go to school?
What does this word mean?
What does this word mean?
What does your father do?
What does your father do?
Does it hurt when you chew?
Does it hurt when you chew?
We don't care what he does.
We don't care what he does.
Who does the gun belong to?
Who does the gun belong to?
Does he go to school by bus?
Does he go to school by bus?
Does that price include tax?
Does that price include tax?
Does this cap belong to you?
Does this cap belong to you?
Does Tom always carry a gun?
Does Tom always carry a gun?
How many books does he have?
How many books does he have?
What time does school begin?
What time does school begin?
Does this book belong to you?
Does this book belong to you?
He doesn't eat this, does he?
He doesn't eat this, does he?
How long does it take by bus?
How long does it take by bus?
How long does it take by car?
How long does it take by car?
Plastic does not burn easily.
Plastic does not burn easily.
What time does the club open?
What time does the club open?
What time does the first train leave?
What time does the first train leave?
Does Nancy want to have a dog?
Does Nancy want to have a dog?
Does this bus go to the beach?
Does this bus go to the beach?
Plastic does not break easily.
Plastic does not break easily.
Does he know that you love him?
Does he know that you love him?
Does anyone here speak Japanese?
Does anyone here speak Japanese?
Does he study English every day?
Does he study English every day?
Does it snow much in the winter?
Does it snow much in the winter?
Does she know your phone number?
Does she know your phone number?
I hope it does not rain tomorrow.
I hope it does not rain tomorrow.
My father does not eat much fruit.
My father does not eat much fruit.
What time does this restaurant close?
What time does this restaurant close?